see. Oh my god!
Oh
my god! Is it still good? Oh yes! Yes! It's still good! Y'all see that? It landed right there! Oh my god!
Oh, that was crazy. Take two!
I just let go of it! Oh my god!
Ah! Ooh! Oh, that sounded like it hurt.
Let go of it. Okay, this is dangerous playing with this thing outside.
No.
Because how high it goes by itself.
6 to 5 feet, I think.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh.
Hey guys, ow, that hit my head. Ow. Ow. Right here. I'll race it.
I hope you enjoyed that nice performance because this thing is pretty much done.
No, is it really?
No.
No, this wheels like
Try to turn. Go try to turn.
Oh, snap.
No, but try to go straight. How is it that that thing messes up before this thing does? When this is gonna do way more.
I know. It's like... That stunt was just horrible. Funny. Oh, snap! Ah!
Where are you going? These things bring so enjoyment, but dangerous.
Dangerous in playtime. Here's my brother's skateboard. No! Yeah, this may be the end for this one too, so.
Oh, I think it's just keys because we use it before it's done charging.